According to an former aide to John Edwards, John Edwards knew that and has known that the child of Rielle Hunter is his biological child, and according to the New York Times, will admit so very soon. There's a grand jury investigation going on right now, and the timing of this admission may be connected to that grand jury investigation.
And there is, John, actually a very serious question. This is not just about gossip. This is also about a serious legal question here, potential legal ramifications. You talk about this grand jury investigation. We've known it was going on for some time. We saw those shots of Rielle Hunter when she went in front of the grand jury. She brought that baby with her then. We know that prosecutors are tangling with this notion of whether payments to a candidate's mistress to keep that mistress silent would be part of campaign donations.
And this is all a part of what prosecutors are contending with right now, whether or not this is a violation of the law. John Edwards, it should be noted, has hired a criminal attorney, not an attorney associated with just federal election campaign violations, but a criminal attorney associated with this investigation. It's unclear whether even an FEC violation may have occurred, but if prosecutors go that route, they could also bring criminal charges against the people involved, not just on John Edwards, but the people who actually gave money to Rielle Hunter.
And the New York Times is also talking about this book proposal from the aide, and they say that he also writes that Mr. Edwards once told Ms. Hunter that after his wife died, he would marry her in a rooftop ceremony with an appearance by the Dave Matthews Band. Is the Edwards group, is anyone coming out and refuting any of this?
No, there's no comment at all from John Edwards, from Elizabeth Edwards, anybody connected with the Edwards family. In fact, John Edwards has essentially been in seclusion in his house not far from Chapel Hill, North Carolina, for quite some time. So they've not been responding to this latest story in the New York Times. Like I said, this story, which already is sorted, becomes more salacious when you hear the details associated with that book proposal.
Just horrible. All right, John Decker, thank you.